Alright guys, so I'm actually doing a little bit of experiment. As you can see over there, I'm leaving 4 panels unclean. So just tomorrow, so I can see if there's a difference. I have a total of 30 panels, and if we can see the difference of cleaning makes a big difference or not. Okay, I've heard where a lot of owners, they don't even clean the solar panels. So yet I think I've installed this in late April, and it's been like 4 months, and this is the first time that I'm washing it. So basically all I did is just use a water hose and rinse it down with water, and I waited until about 7:30 in Southern California. There's hardly hello yeah. Oh, my stupid puppy scared the heck out of me. I'll keep you guys posted. I know there's a lot of people out there want to know if they have to clean the solar panels, and if so, how often. Because there's a lot of people out there that try to make money as well on cleaning your panels. So I don't know. We're just gonna have to wait and see the results. Okay, so usually for the past couple of days, I've been getting about 64 kilowatts hours. So we'll see if it's gonna go up past 64, or if it's gonna stay about 64, 65, or if it gets lower. Who knows? We'll wait and see. All right. Also, I forgot to mention my panels. I have a total of 30 panels, and they are REC 400 alpha black, and with the IQ8A microinverters. So as you can see here, I circle like the dirty panels along with the clean panels. They're about 40 watts difference here too in the graph. As you can see, here we go. I took, there's like many different days for this. So if you ask me if there's an increase, yes, there's an increase. Is it a lot? Not really. So that's why you don't see a lot of people clean their solar panels, because because sometimes it costs too much to have someone climb up there and do the cleaning, and the improvement is not a lot. But if it's something, if you have a ladder, you're willing to do it, just wash it. Yes, there is an improvement, you can see. Okay, but other than that, thank you for watching. I'll see you guys next time.